Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, very good afternoon. Okay, electric current and its effect. Electric current and its effect. Okay, so electric current means it is due to electricity, isn't it? So for electricity, also we are using cells, electric cells. Okay, so for electric circuit means the terminals of electric cell are connected to the terminals of the bulb. So that is electric circuit. So in that electric circuit, we are using many components. So which are the materials we are using in the, or which are the device we are using in electric circuit? So that are electric components. Yesterday we have seen about what is that different components and their symbols, isn't it? So electric cell, how is the symbol? So one long line and another one is thick short line. Okay. So this long line shows positive terminal of the cell and short line shows negative terminal of the cell. Okay. So it is positive and it is negative. So also we have seen battery, isn't it? So how is battery? Long, short, then connector, again long and short. Okay, so this is battery. Okay, so here what is the difference between cell and battery? Okay, so in some activities, okay, in the some of the activities or some of the device, we are connecting two or more cells. Okay, in some activities or in some device, we are connecting two or more cells. The combination of two or more cells is called battery. Okay, battery means combinations of two or more cells. So it is called battery. Okay. So in some activity, so in some cases we need only one cell. Okay, in some cases we need more electricity. So if we need more electricity, we use more cells. Okay, so that is battery. So battery means the combination of two or more cells is called battery. So which are the devices that work with the help of battery? We know that torch, isn't it? Torch, in all our houses we are using torch. So in the torch we can find more than two cells, isn't it? Two or three, four, like these batteries are there. So like cells are there. So that is battery. Battery means combination of two or more cells. Minimum one torch needs two cells. Okay, with single cell battery, so with the single cell torch will be not produce electricity, so that is called battery. Okay, battery means combination of two or more cells. So torch and remote controller, we can see that in the remote control also it has cells, isn't it? So that is also battery. So more than one cell. So minimum in remote controller we can see two cells. So that is battery. And other devices like a watch. In the watch also we can see the cells, isn't it? So it is containing battery. So these all are the devices that is having battery. So in that devices, we can see in some device battery are arranged one after another. Okay. So in some device batteries are cells, not batteries. Cells are arranged one after another. Okay. So it is a positive and it is negative. So next cell like this. So this is the arrangement of battery. So some device cells are arranged one after another. But in some devices, the batteries cells are arranged side by side. Okay. So maybe it is like this, one positive and one negative, like this. Okay. So this is the arrangement of battery side by side. So this is one after another. Okay. Here the positive terminal of the cell should be connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Okay. So the positive terminal should be connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Here this is the negative. So like this will be connected to the device. Okay. Like this here, this and this end should be connected to the device. Okay. So whatever middle connection is there, that positive and negative should be together. Okay. Then only current will be passed, then light or device will be work. So this is the two types of arrangement of batteries. Some devices, the cells are arranged one after another. In some devices, cells are arranged side by side. Okay, so this arrangement we can see in torch, isn't it? Almost torch, they have like this batteries. Okay, so the cells are arranged one after another. So like this arrangement we can see in remote controller, isn't it? So in the remote controller, cells are arranged side by side. Okay, so these are the two types of arrangement of battery. However, the positive and negative terminal of the battery cell should be in the contact. Okay, they should be connected to each other. So this is the battery. And what is battery? Battery means combination of two or more cells. It is battery. And which are the devices that work with the help of battery? So some devices like torch, remote controller, and watch, and many toys, isn't it? We can see in the toys also some working toys will be there. So in that toys we can see the battery. So that are cells are arranged together. So that is battery. So in some devices cells are arranged like this, means one after another. In some devices cells are arranged like this, side by side. Okay. Next we will see the circuit diagram of the electric circuit. Circuit diagram means the electric circuit means it contains the device, isn't it? So that device we know the symbol. Circuit diagram means we can draw the circuit by using symbol. Okay, circuit diagram. See here circuit. So simple circuit means we are using a cell. Okay. And for cell, and next we want one bulb. Okay, and we want a switch, isn't it? To connect or break the circuit. So switch is a device used to connect or break the circuit. Okay. Okay. So this is the one circuit of electricity. Okay. So this like this connection in all places we can draw. You can't draw the picture like this. So to avoid this, we can draw circuit diagram. Circuit diagram means instead of this instrument, we have to use symbol. Okay. So here we taken which component? Cell, bulb, switch, and wire. Isn't it? Cell is there, bulb, switch, and wire. Okay, here switch is on or off. Switch is in on mode, isn't it? So this circuit is completed. The circuit completed means the switch is in the on position. Okay. So for this, how can we draw circuit diagram? Okay, here bulb. Okay. Okay, no, there is a no condition in this place, only bulb. Wherever we can draw, but to see it should be fair. No, for that we should draw like this. We have used cell. Okay. Okay, here cell over no switch. The switch is in on position, isn't it? On means circuit should be closed. So when the circuit closed, the light will be glow. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram for this figure. Okay. Okay, here switch is in on position. So when the switch on, current will be passed and the light will be glow. Okay. So when the switch in off position, how can we draw the circuit? Switch on means battery same, not battery cell. Okay, then here bulb. Then switch. Switch is in off position means the circuit will break. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram in the switch off position. So here lines means it shows wire, and this symbol of switch with off position, this is cell and this is bulb. Okay, so that circuit we can draw like this using the symbol. Okay, so this is the benefit of that symbol, so that in all places we can't draw the picture which components we are using. So to avoid that, we can use the symbol for circuit diagram. Okay, so the bulb glows here. Here the bulb glows. Here the bulb will not glow. When the bulb glows when circuit completed. Means circuit completed means switching on position. So when the bulb will not glow, the circuit will break. Circuit break means switch is in off position. Okay. So, and one more thing, here bulb is there. Here a thin wire we can find inside the bulb, inside the glass of the bulb, there is a thin wire. Okay, so this thin wire gives light. Okay, with the help of this thin wire, bulb will be glow. So that thin wire is called filament. Okay, so this is very thin wire. We can find when we see the bulb, inside the bulb, the small thin wire will be there. So that thin wire is called filament. So in case the thin wire will fuse means, so the always light is blowing means it will produce little bit heat. Isn't it? When light blowing, if we touch the bulb means we can feel heat hot. So the always bulb glowing means the thin wire or filament, it will become hot and sometimes it will be fused. Okay. Fuse means it will be melt. So if this filament will melt, then the light will be not glow. Because the filament will be fused means it will break the circuit. Isn't it? So it will, is there correct, or it will connected means, fuse means it will be cut. So the filament will be cut means we are throwing that bulb. Isn't it? Because it will not give the light because of the break of circuit. So in that time, if fuse is happened in the filament means, if switch is on also, the light will be not glow because the break filament will make what? Incomplete circuit. So the light will be not glow. Okay. So circuit diagram, have you understood now? So in this circuit diagram, so we can use the symbol. Okay. Instead of their single cell, we use more cell means it will become battery. So in this place, we have to draw the symbol of battery. Okay. So this is the simple circuit diagram. So simply we want cell, bulb, switch, isn't it? So that we have drawn here. So it's the circuit diagram. Okay, battery means what? Battery means combination of two or more cells. So that is called battery. So which device work with the help of battery? So some devices like watch, remote controller, torch, and many toys. So these all are the some devices that work with the help of battery. In battery, two types of setting will be there. Some devices, battery, the cells are arranged one after another, and in some devices, the cells are arranged side by side. Okay. However, arrangement of cells will be there, but the wire should be connected. Negative terminal of the cell should be connected to the positive terminal of the cell. Okay. Okay, once you draw these all symbols, electric components. Electric cell, wire, bulb, switch in on position. Switch in off position. Battery. Draw the symbols. Over. Electric cell means this electric cell, the short line little bit be thinner, and wire means straight line. Bulb, Switch with on. On means it should be closed. On means on symbol not. On means closed. Closed on. Off means open. Battery. Battery. Circuit diagram. Closed circuit or on position. So draw the circuit. The bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position. Switch on means circuit is closed. in the bulb, there is a thin wire called the filament. When an electric current passes through it, which can glow. And the battery means we can see in some vehicles also they are using batteries, isn't it? So in the truck and in tractor, so in these all vehicles we can see batteries, but that batteries they are not using like these cells. Okay, so in that batteries they are using different cells. Okay, so that is also batteries. Okay, so electric effects. Tomorrow we will discuss about that. What are the effects of electricity? Take the homework over now. So circuit diagram. This is a closed circuit. The circuit closed means switch is in on position. So when the circuit closed, then only light will be glow. Closed means it is in the on position. So switch will be complete the circuit. So in open circuit, the light will be not glow because the switch will break the circuit. Okay, so this is not completed. So it is open circuit. The bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position. Okay, and circuit is closed. Switch is in on position means circuit is closed. In the bulb, there is a thin wire called the filament. So the filament, when electricity passes through it, which can glow. Take homework. Name some devices work with the help of batteries. At least 10 devices you can write. Okay. Name some devices work with the help of battery. What is battery? And that symbol, you should practice it. Okay. Over now. Okay, remaining, we can continue on tomorrow.
Hello, good afternoon, children. Can you all hear me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to each.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, each and everybody. So we have completed third chapter of this semester. No, yes. Practical geometry we have finished. Next, no, 11th chapter, perimeter and area. Area and perimeter. We are going to learn perimeter and area. You already learned perimeter, area in 4th, 5th, no, 5th and 6th class.
Yes, sir.
Here you are going to learn little bit deeper problems. Deeper means somewhat typical problems you are going to learn. You have to think a lot to understand the problems, and also at the same time you have to think to solve the problem also. So let us go to the 11th chapter. Chapter 11. Perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. Area is perimeter and area, no, they are dependent upon each other. Okay. ಅವೆರಡು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. So see this board, your board is a what shape? Rectangle shape. It is rectangle shape. If I ask you to find the perimeter of this board, means what you are going to see? You are going to see the total length of all the four sides. On New Year Day, no, you put ribbon around the board, no? You put around ribbon around the board. Suppose this is a board. You will ribbon it, paper ribbon. That is paper ribbon, no? That is how you are going to measure. First, you are going to measure the total length of all the sides of the board. Then you are going to get equal length of that paper ribbon. Then arrange accordingly. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಂತ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಳಿತೀರಿ. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಳೆದು ಅಷ್ಟುದ್ದು ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ತರ್ತೀರಿ, ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಸುತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. This is area, this is perimeter of the board. Same in the case with square also. Square means it is also a rectangle only, but it will have all the sides equal. Square is also rectangle, but rectangle is not square. Square means all its sides are equal. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. You know all this. You learned since 5th standard only. Understood? No, what is area and what is perimeter? You also know all these things, but still some students might have forgotten. Now formulate. First, perimeter. Formulae means plural. Formula means singular.
ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಏಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ. ಈಗ ನಾ ಬೆನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಏಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು.
Ritesh, dirty fellow. Ritesh, dirty fellow. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle? Anybody can tell me? Perimeter of rectangle formula ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ನೀವು? 5th and 6th you already learned. 2 into length plus breadth. Or you are going to write 2 into short L plus
breadth.
L plus B means L for length, B for breadth. Okay, we are going to write in short only. L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Next, second, perimeter of a square.
Sir, perimeter spelling wrong.
P-E-R-I, no? P-E-R-I.
ER, last ER, sir.
No.
PERIMETER.
Sometimes no. I told you there is a difference between American English and British English. He has given what in textbook P-E-R-I-M-E-T-E-R. See here, some people are going to write like this. Some people are going to write like this also. M-E-T.
ER.
That is also correct only. This is also correct. There is a difference between American English and British English. We use British English. In American English, no color. I told you, I think earlier also, C-O-L-O-R color. This is American English. And we write C-O-L-O-U-R. This is British English. Okay, we use this one and Americans use this one. Like that, no, there is a slight difference.
Yes, sir.
You computer na hodi idu torustade because computers are made with American software. So it will show COLOR color is correct. Perimeter of a square is equal to
4 into side.
4.
4 into side.
Here two sides, opposite sides are equal, means two opposite sides are there, no? Length, two sides. Breadth, two sides. That is why 2 into L plus B. 2 length, 2 breadth. Same irtavante. Here, square, no, all the sides are equal. So 4 into side. 4 sides into whatever measure is given, you have to multiply with. Next, the third one. Perimeter of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means what here? All sides will be equal, whether it has 5-sided figure, 6-sided figure, or 4-sided figure, or 3-sided figure. Okay, regular means all sides are equal. When we are talk of a square, no, this is a regular polygon. Why? Because all the 4 sides are equal here. But rectangle is not a regular polygon. Why? Because only opposite sides are equal, not all sides. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So what is the formula of this? Number of sides?
Length of one side.
Length of one side.
One side.
You can use this for square also. Number of sides are 4. Square is a regular, no? Because square we know that it has 4 sides, we have written directly 4 into length of one side is 4. We are, whatever side it is, we are going to write that. Next, 4th, area of a square. What is the formula of area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side. We are going to multiply side into side. Area of a rectangle.
Length into breadth.
Length into
Breadth.
breadth. Or L into B, you can write. L into B in short. So these are formulas you have to know to solve the first exercise. Okay, next exercise, if necessary, I will give some notes and also some formulae. Okay, and as far as some notes, other notes are concerned, you already learned in 4th, 5th, 6th. What are those? So all square has all the sides equal, rectangle has opposite sides equal. All these no unnecessary now. You are in 7th standard. You must know all these things. So shall we proceed to first exercise of this chapter 11.1? You must remember all these formulae for solving the first exercise. Home. 11.1. All of you, these first beginning only we have word problems. All of you look into textbook. Open page number 56. All of you open page number 56 and see the first problem. I'm not going to write these word problems on the board as you all have textbooks. Okay. Now, the length, as I read, all of you open no textbooks. The length and the breadth of a rectangle piece of land is 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. Find. First question, its area. Second question is the cost of the land if 1 square meter of the land costs rupees 10,000. Okay, we have to solve two problems.
Yes, yes.
He has given length, breadth. Length is
The pieces of land are
300 meters. Smriti Patil, what you want to say? Tell me. You are talking in between, baby.
the cost of land is 1.
Smriti, you are unnecessarily disturbing everyone. So first we are going to solve first problem. What its area? We are going to see its area. Okay. For that, what we want? Length. Length is equal to what is given? Length is equal to 500 meters. Breadth is equal to 300 meters. Now area we have to find. Area means we have to write formula. Area of what? This is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to
Length into breadth.
Okay. Length is 500 meters. Breadth is 300 meters. So in multiply, no, we can multiply this quickly. Why? Because zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 3 5s or 5 3s are 15. 1,50,000 square meters. You can write square meters like this or like this. Which one you used? Actually, I have used in my notebook like this. You can understand this also, no? Square meter, or you want this one only? Which one? First one, next one? ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ನೌ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಬ್ 1. Square meter, SQM means square meter. Always area is expressed in square units. If there is a centimeter, square centimeter. If there is a kilometer, square kilometer. If there is a meter, square meter. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಮೀಟರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. ನೌ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. We have found the area of this land. Okay, now second question, what he has asked: the cost of the land if 1 square meter of the land costs rupees 10,000. He is telling what is the cost of land if 1 square meter of land costs rupees 10,000. Okay, so we have tried note here again. The cost of the land is, the area of land is 15,000. No, not 15,000. 1,50,000. No, 1,50,000 square meter into rupees. How many rupees per square meter? 10,000. So again, this one we can calculate with the help of quick multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So 15 ones are 15. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is 150 crore. It is 150 crore. This is just 50 crore. This is 150 crore rupees. We have right here. So the cost of total land, if you want to purchase, if the cost of 1 square meter is 10,000 rupees, 1,50,000 square meter of land will cost you 150 crore rupees. All of you understood or not? Just say yes.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Understood?
Understand. Yes, sir.
Next.
Understood,
Shall
sir.
we move to next problem then?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Next question is second one. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Shall I rub now this one?
Yes, sir.
Second is small question. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Perimeter of a square park. He has given information, perimeter of square park. It is a square shaped park. its perimeter is given 320 meters. Perimeter is, this is a park, suppose. He has given total length of the all four sides of the park. Now with the help of this, what you have to do, find the area of a park. Area. To find the area, area of a square is equal to what? Area of a square formula, tell me. Anybody? What is
Side.
area of a square?
Side into side.
Side into side is correct. Okay. For that, what we want? Side, no. Side is not given here. But with the help of perimeter of a square, we can find the side. For that, formula is there. Side of a square is equal to perimeter by 4. Why 4? Because now in material, suppose one example I will quote you. The side of a park is 5 meters, suppose. Perimeter is what? 4 into side, no? Perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square, 4 into side. 4 into side is 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 ಏನಿದು perimeter ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ perimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಿಮಗೆ side ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Side ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5 no? How we get 5 there? Here. Side is equal to perimeter by 4. When we multiply with 4 and get perimeter, when we divide with 4, we are going to get side. How? 20 is perimeter by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5 are. So 5 meter is the side. Hang but gotaitalla? All of you understood or not? How we are going to get? So we have to remember this formula also. I have not given in notes. You take in your notes this formula. Side is equal to perimeter by 4. Okay. Perimeter is 320 by 4. 4 ones are 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 zeros are 0. 80 meter. 80 meter is what? This is the side of a square. Now what he has asked to find the area of a square. Area ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು perimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟನೆ area ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ side ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, side ತಗೊಂಡು. Why we made all this calculation? To get the side. Side is 80 meter. Now we can find the area of a square easily. Next formula, area of square park is equal to side into side. You can write S into S also. Side is 80 into 80. 8 8s are, first you take 2 zeros, quick multiplication. 8 8s are 64. 6,400 square meter is the area of the square park. All of you understood or not? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಏನೇ ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈಡ್. ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸೈಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 4. ಓಕೆ. So we got 80 side, 80 meter as a side. Then area of a square park formula, side into side, 80 into 80, we got 6,400 square meters. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾನು ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿರ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಗ. ನನಗೂ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. I think you are not hungry at all because at home you keep on eating and listening to the classes. If you are hungry, you will take some food, you will take some snacks and keep on eating in front of your mobile classroom. Is that so? I have seen many students when they open the video, no, they keep on eating something or the other. Third one, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 square meter and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. This formula also I have forgotten to write here. See here, one formula from second problem, another formula after these, no, after these formula, no, you continue writing those formula, which all I tell you now. One formula I told, no, side is equal to perimeter by 4. That means side of square is equal to perimeter by 4. That you have to write. Athwa lasting nano, after this exercise, no, in the box I will write all those formula. Okay. As the problem comes, no, I remember formula. That is why I have not written in advance. He has given you breadth of a rectangle and area of a rectangle and asked to find its length and also perimeter. Okay. Area of a, what it is? Find the breadth and rectangular plot. Rectangular, area of a rectangular plot is equal to 440 square meter. He has given, and also he has given breadth. Breadth of a rectangular plot is 22 meter. He has asked you to find the perimeter and length also. First we have to find the length. Area is given, breadth is given. We have to find the length. So for that, length formula. Length of rectangle is equal to area by breadth. Area ಮತ್ತು breadth ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೇಳಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೈ ಲೆಂತ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. Now area is 440, breadth is 22 meters. Both are divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, 11 0s are 0. Okay, again they are divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 20s are 40. So length is equal to 20 meter. Length is how much? 20 meter. With the help of length, we can find length is found. Now we have to calculate perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Because there is no enough place here, I will take here formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is already given, no? No, we have calculated. Wait. But what he has given? He has given, nobody told me. Actually, no, he has given length and asked to calculate breadth. ಯಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. He has given length. This is actually length. And this is breadth. Breadth of rectangle is equal to area by length. And this calculation is same. Okay. ಯಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅವ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತತ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೇನಿ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತೀರಿ. ಅದೇ actually length should be more, breadth should be less. Okay. We found the breadth. With the same formula, we are going to find the breadth. Only thing is here, in place of breadth, I have taken length. Here, in the place of length, I have taken breadth. Now, length into breadth. 22 is length. Breadth is 20. Close the bracket. 2 into 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 84 meter. 84 meter is the perimeter of that particular rectangle plot, not park plot.
44.
84 meter. So perimeter of a plot is 84 meter and breadth of a plot is 20 meter. All of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿರಿ. ನಾನು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತೀರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿರಿ. ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ earlier 19 participants were there. Now they are taking lunch break. I think only 16 are there. One more problem I will solve. After that I will quit. Okay. Fourth problem now. What is fourth problem? The perimeter of rectangular.
Perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find the breadth. Also find.
What? Fourth problem. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. The perimeter is given this time. Perimeter of a sheet. Sheet means it is a paper sheet or a cardboard sheet. Okay. If the length is 35 centimeter, he has given length. He has asked to find the breadth and also its area. We have to find two questions here, and information given to us is perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Rectangular sheet. How much it is? 100 centimeter. Length is also given. Length is equal to 35 centimeter. First, we have to find the breadth with the help of perimeter formula only. Perimeter.
Length spelling wrong.
Length. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay. With the help of this formula only, we can find the breadth. He has given length and perimeter. So in the place of perimeter, we will take 100. Perimeter is given, no, 100. 100. Into 2 is in formula itself. Length, it is given how much? 35 plus B we have to find out. B we don't know. So 100 as it is. 2, you learned all these things in algebra. Okay. 2 into 35 ones, 2 into B ones. Okay. 2 35s are 70 plus 2 into B, 2B. Okay. This is 100. Now, these are unlike numbers. This is algebraic, this is numerical. So, we will bring together numericals. 100 minus 70. This plus 70 is transposed on the other side of the equal to. So, it gets minus 70. Now, 2b will remain here only. Now, after subtraction, how much I got here? 30 is equal to 2b. Okay. Now, 2 into b, I will transpose 2 on the other side here. 30 by 2 is equal to b. When 2 is transposed on the other side into 2, it will get divided by 2. B will remain as it is here only. So 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 5s are. So 15 is equal to B, or B is equal to 15. You make it right. 15 is equal to B, or B is equal to 15. One and same. That means the breadth is equal to 15 what? Meter. Breadth is equal to 15 meter. Then what we have to calculate? Area. Area will calculate here. Can you see this part of the board?
Yes, sir.
I will not write full area of a rectangle. Why? Because there is no enough place. Area is equal to?
Yes, sir.
To breadth. Length is given 35 meter. Breadth we have calculated how much? 15 meter. So 35 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. 525. Yes, 525 square meter is the area. He had asked 2 questions based on the information given. We have answered both. This is first, this is second. We calculated breadth and also area. If anybody has not understood, tell me.
Sir, ಅದು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ತಳಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
This one, no? To calculate Length is given, perimeter is given. No, with the help of perimeter formula, no, we can calculate breadth also. In algebra, you learned in also distribution property over multiplication. Distribution property over multiplication in integers or integers only. You learned all these things. 2 into L plus B. Length ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ breadth ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಕರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಓವರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? 2 into 1 ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನೆ. 2 35 ಲೇ, 2 B ಲೇ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು 100 as it is. 2 into 35 70. 2 into B 2B. ಹೌದಾ? This is algebraic and this is numerical. ಇವೆರಡು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. So 100 here as it is plus 70 will become minus 70. This is transposing on the other side of is equal to plus it is minus ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 2B will remain as it is there only. Now after subtraction we got 30 here, 2B as it is. Now this is numerical 2. 2 we will separate from B. 2 into B. 2B no. 2 into B in made 2B into 2 into is there. So 30 by 2. ಈ 2 ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. B as it is. After cancellation we got 15. So 15 is equal to B or B is equal to 15. 15 ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬರ್ತವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Yes, sir.
6th 5th 6th ನಾಗನು ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. 6th ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದು ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಇದು ಇನ್ನ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಅದಾವ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Yes.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Bye, sir.
ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ. ಸಿ ಯು ಟುಮಾರೋ.